In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove indicators in TradingView. If your chart is starting to feel cluttered or you just want a clean view of price action, removing indicators is quick and simple once you know where to look. First, open TradingView and load the chart you're working with. Once your chart is visible, draw your attention to the top of the chart, just under the symbol name. This area is often called the chart header or legend. Here you'll see the list of indicators currently active on your chart. Each indicator typically appears with its name, a color marker, and a small X beside it. To remove an indicator one at a time, click the X next to the indicator's name. The moment you click it, that indicator disappears from your chart, leaving everything else intact. If you have several indicators and want to tidy up selectively, repeat this for each one you no longer need. This is a great way to keep only the tools that are helping your current analysis. You can also remove an indicator directly from the chart area. Hover your mouse over the indicator's line, band, or label until it's clearly highlighted, then right-click. In the menu that appears, choose Remove. This is especially useful if you're not sure which item in the top list corresponds to the lines you're seeing on the chart. Keep in mind that some indicators draw multiple elements, and removing one removes the entire indicator package, which is exactly what you want when cleaning up. If you're ready to clear all indicators at once, use the shortcut. On Windows, press Alt+I. On Mac, press Option+I. One quick keystroke, and all indicators will be removed from the chart, giving you a fresh, uncluttered view. This is perfect when you want to reset your analysis or start from scratch. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see the indicator list at the top, try widening your chart window or make sure the header area isn't hidden. If you accidentally remove something you wanted to keep, just use Undo, Ctrl+Z on Windows, or Command+Z on Mac to bring it back immediately. And if an indicator seems hard to select, zoom in a bit so you can right-click precisely on the line or area it draws. And that's how to remove indicators in TradingView. Subscribe for more tutorials.